Welcome to the masterclass. We're uncovering 10 ChatGPT prompts that feel like cheating, but they're perfectly legal and incredibly powerful. Hi, I'm Bojan. We're condensing 10 elite prompts into just 2 minutes to supercharge your productivity right now. Let's go. First, simulated expert. Force ChatGPT into a specific persona like a Harvard strategist to get high-level professional responses every time. Number 2 is Pareto learning. Ask the AI to identify the 20% of concepts that give you 80% of the results for any new skill. Third, chain of thought. Tell the AI to explain its reasoning step by step to eliminate logic errors and hallucinations in complex tasks. 4, the style mimic. Have ChatGPT analyze your writing sample first, then generate new content in your exact unique voice. 5, devil's advocate. Use this to bulletproof your ideas by having the AI find every flaw and risk before you present them. 6 is recursive prompting. Ask ChatGPT to write a better prompt for you by asking you 10 context questions first. 7, ELI5 for professionals. Use relatable analogies from other fields to master complex technical concepts in minutes, not hours. 8, the job matcher. Align your resume with any job description to bridge gaps and speak the hiring manager's language perfectly. 9, code refactor. Simplify messy CSVs or complex Excel formulas to save hours of manual technical work and improve logic. Finally, cross-disciplinary synthesis. Combine unrelated fields like biology and finance for truly innovative ideas that a human mind might never connect. From expert personas to synthesis, these 10 prompts are your new productivity superpower. Your AI toolkit is now complete and ready for action. AI is limited only by your imagination and your prompts. I'm Bojan. Go out there and create something amazing. See you next time.